Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials: Wi-Fi, charger, and a reachable email or phone number. Next, create a strong password, 12 characters or more, to protect your account. Once done, choose whether to enable two-factor authentication. This adds a code when you sign in on new devices and keeps your data safe. Make sure your birth date and a recovery method are accurate. Now tap Settings, then sign in to your iPhone to start the Apple ID creation flow and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll enter your name and choose either an existing email or get a new iCloud email. Pick the option that fits your privacy needs. Then set your password and pick security questions. These help with account recovery, so choose memorable but not obvious answers. Carefully review the terms and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you submit, Apple sends a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that code now to confirm your identity and continue configuring iCloud and Apple services. After verification, you'll choose iCloud settings. Enable contacts, photos, and iCloud Drive to sync across devices, and set up Face ID or Touch ID and payment methods for purchases. Make sure you sign into any other Apple devices with the same Apple ID to keep data consistent. If something goes wrong, first check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection, then request a new verification code or use the account recovery option to reset your password. If problems persist, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.